In today's video, I'll show you how you can get the Black Friday deal on Warmy.io. So let's get started. So here we are in Warmy.io, and basically in here, you want to go into their website using the link in the description. Once you're here, is that you just simply want to click here on Start Now on the Black Friday deal to start setting up your account for the Black Friday deal right here. So we'll be prompted into the pricing plans. So you can see here the Black Friday deal, you get 50% off if you go for the annual plan and 25% off if you go for the monthly plan. So you can just simply copy and paste the code right here depending on which duration of your plan you are planning to get. So if you're planning annually, you can just simply go and memorize this or copy that however you want. Let's say click here on redeem your coupon. Now, let's set up your account. So you can continue or sign up using your Google account if you'd want an easier and simpler process. Or you could also go for first name, last name, email address, password, and then repeat your password in here and click on sign up. And then sign up your account. Once you have now signed up, you just simply would want to finish this introductory step. So just provide your information in here. Once you're done with that, you'll now be prompted in here. So decide if you would want to go for annual or monthly plan because we will now be applying our coupon code as each of them have different code. If you go for annual or monthly, as I have explained earlier, you want to click here and have a code or have a coupon code to apply it. And then just simply type out the coupon code right here. Since we are going for the annual plan, it would be BFCM50. Click on apply. And it's now going to be applied. As you can see, the price will now be updated. So now it's just this one right here. So it's a total discount. And in here, we could now see the number of senders. We could also go for warm opposite list right here, depending on which one you'd want. And yeah, just choose the plan that you want right here. So let's say premium. You can click here on pay with card. And then you will now be able to provide your payment details right here. Just input your payment information and then click here on submit. And then once the payment goes through, then that is basically it. You have now successfully purchased a subscription here in Warmy.io using the Black Friday deal with a massive discount. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.